Well, we've got a freshly washed E30, so the best thing that we can do is take it out to an event. There's a Cars and Coffee today that is actually at the BMW and Audi dealership. They happen to be right next to each other. Not really sure if one or the other is organizing this, but we're gonna roll over there. They've enticed me by saying there's free donuts, so we'll take the E30 out and get a free donut and see how many other German cars show up to today's event. My battery has a draw, so I always kind of leave it unhooked either in the back of the car or on a trickle charger. But because I had it on yesterday, sitting back here, this is my tie down if I were to ever to autocross again. But we'll get this hooked back up now.
Alright, first stop, had to go into the dealership to get the coffee and donuts I was promised. There's this big luxury sedan. I thought it was interesting, a lot of the cars in here, the dials were these like crystal looking things. And then get ready for some sticker shock. Alright, and we definitely had a pretty good turnout as you can see from here. Now I don't know if I'm getting old or what, but I'm really starting to really like the resto mod style of the older muscle cars. Maybe not this one, this might be a little too much for my taste, but still looks sweet. They had one BMW to put outside. Now for this one, I don't know if I'm just not a convertible guy or if this is just too much brown on brown for me. I'm not one to pick out if these are recreations or not. I think this one is. Mint R32 GTR with a nice gurney flap. That chop in the distance is the Corvette. Don't really see a lot of these E90 M3s. Last one that was naturally aspirated with the V8. Now wait for this. My first walk around. This dog definitely got me to get a jump scare. Now we got some of the regulars that come to a lot of the events. And I will make a confession. I don't know if I've ever seen cars. Here's one thing I noticed about the R8 recently, and I don't know if it's a stock option or if it's just within this guy's customization, but the steering wheel is not a full round wheel, I guess. It's missing the top section. Now we have a couple of German cars in a line. Double Trouble E30 M3s. Both S14 cars. The Lac Silver one is on houndstooth cloth interior, where the Diamond Schwartz one has leather interior. Hard choice for me on which one I would like more. Might just have to slightly side with the Lac Silver. I just saw this Audi for the first time at a recent event, and I do have to say Audi has a pretty good hand on this coppery color. And here's the real star of the show. The Supra with this absolutely massive turbo. Nismo GTR. I've lost track of keeping straight all of the newer Porsche models and like chassis codes. This one I did see only had 7,000 miles on it. And I'll end with just a quick view of this Audi e-tron. Thanks for watching.